I stand here in solidarity with the protest that is going on at Jantar Mantar. Today, there was a march that was decided to be taken towards Parliament. However, it could not, it could not happen. We have seen through media how atrocity is being done on the peaceful protesters. All those people who have come to join in the protest have been beaten up, have been injured. And I stand here in solidarity. Though I am not a member of the CJP, but I stand here as a citizen of this nation to voice out against the atrocities and also to urge the government to take their stand for the rights of the student community and to justify and to give justice, especially for the bereaved families who have lost their children, as they took their lives in protest against the leak of the NEET paper. This is not a fight against just the education system, but this is a fight for the right of our children and for their future. So I hope that we, the citizens of Meghalaya, will join along and voice out, and hope that this voice unitedly throughout the nation will be able to bring the much needed change we want to see in the education system and for the future of the generations to come.